What are trading indicators? Today, we'll explain what indicators are available on the Pocket Option platform and how they assist in market analysis. Indicators are tools that help traders better understand price movements and determine when to open or close a trade. On the Pocket Option platform, you'll find a wide selection of indicators for different trading strategies and styles. All indicators can be grouped into several types based on their purposes and characteristics. The main categories are trend indicators, oscillators, and volume indicators. Trend indicators, such as moving average and Bollinger bands, help identify the primary trend direction. If the indicator shows an upward trend, it signals a potential price increase, and if it shows a downward trend, it suggests a decline. Oscillators like RSI and Stochastic are useful for analyzing overbought and oversold zones. These indicators show when an asset's price may be nearing a reversal, helping to find entry or exit points for a trade. Volume indicators like Bull's Power and Bear's Power show how actively an asset is being traded. They help assess the strength of price movement and determine if volumes support the current trend direction. On the Pocket Option platform, you can easily customize indicators to suit your needs. Adjust their parameters, colors, and chart display. We recommend using a demo account to test and practice with different indicators. Try now. Follow the link in the description.